GPT-4 Vision is really good, surprisingly good at understanding photos, especially qualitative information. It does have limitation though, especially if you want to extract precise geometry in a photo, for example, bounding boxes or detailed masks. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a photo from a farmer's market, and I ask, what do you see? And it's able to tell there are veggies and produce, like peppers, celery, carrots, and it make a comment about the photo's aesthetics. Then I ask how much is it worth? Sorry for the typo, should be how many dollars. I also tell it to think step by step and provide the reasoning and assumptions. It did exactly that. It also noticed the currency is not in US dollars, but in rand, which is used in South Africa. I totally didn't notice that. First, it estimated how many kilograms is each vegetable, and then multiply that by the unit price. In total, the vegetables and produce in this photo is worth around $150. Is it accurate? Well, at least the thought process sounds reasonable. I was curious if GPT-4 is able to do object detection or segmentation. So I give it this cat image and asked about the coordinates of the polygon surrounding the cat's head. To my surprise, it is able to give me a list of coordinates, and not only that, the names of the key points, for example, top center above the sunglass and right side below the chin. It is also quite humble. It says, for precise measurements, consider using specialized image processing tools or software. Soon, I found out why it was being humble. I asked GPT to give me the Python code to draw the polygon, and I was able to run the code it gave me, and it looks like this. Not super accurate. I really hoped GPT can help me translate a menu written in German. It was not able to do that. What about a photo of Chinese menu? Nope. Couldn't recognize it. A friend of mine is a very successful architect, and part of his work is to read diagrams like this. Very high resolution, very complicated. He would like to apply AI to make it much easier to understand complex diagrams like this. GPT-4 is able to understand the rooms and high-level information and also some symbols in a diagram. Although GPT doesn't seem to deeply understand terminology used in architecture space. However, the information extracted still seems to be quite useful. For example, there are usually tables or schedules in architectural design documents, and GPT is able to extract the content of the table, although sometimes you may need to ask several times. Besides GPT from OpenAI, are there other solutions like this? I cannot wait to see both open source and commercial solutions from Meta, Google, Salesforce, Databricks and Mosaic, Hugging Face, Amazon, NVIDIA, and many others. If you have any questions and comments, please email me at zz@kungfu.ai. Thank you.